Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an account with Citibank. Whether you're looking for a checking account, savings account, or both, the process is quick and straightforward. So let's dive in. The first step is to decide which type of account you need. Citibank offers a variety of options including checking accounts, ideal for everyday transactions, savings accounts, perfect for building an emergency fund or savings for a goal, certificates of deposit for long-term savings with higher investment rates. First, go ahead and visit Citibank's website. Now, in here, click on the Open an Account button at the top of your screen. And before you can proceed into that section, you need to enter your zip code and hit on the Submit button. So in here, you'll be able to find the different options that you have. So you can simply click on that Open an Account button to that account type that you have chosen. So once you have selected that, you'll need to confirm opening an account by clicking on the Open an Account button. So you'll be able to find more information about that account type in this section. And after that, you'll get redirected into a new section where you'll be able to find the necessary forms and fields that you need to answer to. You'll need to gather the required documents to open your account, and here's what you'll typically need. So a valid government issued photo ID, your SSN, proof of address, and an initial deposit. In this page at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find your progress on the steps that are required to create an account on Citibank. That's it. Opening an account with Citibank is easy and can be done with either online or in person. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and advice.